Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, food and eatables of every country are very different and every country has different culture. So today we have decided a very different topic to explore the strange food of China. So let's explore. Okay viewers, we are at the very first strange food. Do you dare to see it? Let's come. This is the tortoise. Do you want to taste this thing? One of the person I talked from one Chinese, they said it takes 70 minutes to cook. First they uncover the shell and then they cook it and then they keep again in the shell to make the decoration. But if you have the pressure cooker, then you can cook it very easily. Do you like the oysters? Viewers, here are the oysters of various kind. And this is also one of the Chinese food. Here people cook these oysters with the shell. They don't uncover the shell and take the inside meat and cook. They cook it with the shell and then they serve it with shell. And the people who want to eat, they open the shell by themselves and then they eat it. Viewers, do you want to eat this Japanese and the Chinese favorite food, lobster? You see, oh, it is so big. So if you like it, you can take it from here. You see these lobsters, they cook it by the various method. Some people just steam it. Some take it in the sauce. Some cook it in the curry. So there are the different ways to cook and cook with the shell, and some people even they remove the shell and take the meat and cook it. So there are various ways to cook it. Viewers, this is also amazing. They have made the spicy crayfish. Before that I was thinking that the people just take the meat from the crayfish, means from the lobster, and they cook. But here is some spicy variant, and in this there are the very small size lobster. I don't know it has some meat or not, but very less amount of meat, and they like to suck the shells and the scales of these crayfish to dipped in the very high spices and many kind of flavors. So this is also very strange food for them. Do you know what is this? This is the arms or tentacles of the octopus, and in China people use it a lot in their food, and they cook it, means they keep it for the whole night with salt and some kind of spices, and then in the morning they roast it and then eat with some kind of sauce. Also in some areas of China they catch the alive octopus and they just cut it into the pieces and they try to eat that alive octopus with the various kind of sauce. It has the sticky and the soft touch, and they like it too much. Viewers, now I am going to show you very interesting thing. So let's come here. What is this? Do you know? You know, this is the mouth and the nose of the pig. Chinese like it too much and they cook it and roast it and many kind of spices, and you can see these holes, even you can put one charger inside it. They don't want to throw anything of the pig, they eat everything. Even the nails of the pig, means every ingredient from the inside or outside, they will cook it in the various recipes and they will eat it. Viewers, here you can see, here is the full head of the pig, and they keep it in the vacuum package for easy carrying for the in the flight, in their hand carry, as well as in the flood and in the disaster conditions. They make every ready-made detail of the pig. Viewers, do you know what is this? These are the chicken nails and these are the duck nails. Chinese like to eat these too much, means they use it like the snakes, and you can see they are in the vacuum package. In the normal routine, even their kids, elders and the older, everyone wants to eat in the, even you can give them 7 times a day, they will eat 7 times a day, and with many flavors, with many masala, with many spices. They always use these snacks, the duck nails as well as the chicken nails. Viewers, this is very special recipe of the Chinese food in my hand. This is the chicken nails, but This recipe was invented in the Chongqing city, and that family, that husband and wife, they become the millionaire by inventing this. This is very simple recipe for them. They boil the chicken nails and then cut into small pieces, and then they add some salt and the highly spicy green chili and pack it. And it was liked all over the China, Korea and many other countries, and that's why now they become the millionaire. I also wish I also invent a new recipe to become a millionaire. Viewers, here you can see in my hand is also very strange food. These are the duck eggs, and these are wrapped with mud, means marshy mud, smelly mud they will use, and some kind of herbals they mix with that, and then they cover these eggs and keep them for many days, maybe up to 1 month, and after that it become dried, and this inside of the egg it become black, and this egg will give the urine smell, bitter taste and smelly, and Chinese like it too much. Viewers, here is this bottle. This is the oyster sauce. It has very amazing story. Because of this recipe, one Hong Kong person become the millionaire, and they use the fresh oyster. Its picture is here from the ocean, and then they cook it for many days, and after that they extract the oil from the oyster, and they use that oil and mix with various kind of flavors and spices to make this sauce. And nowadays this sauce has many modifications, and people use it for the flavor of the sea and the oyster flavor in their recipes. This sauce has many flavors. As you see, this is the Lee Kum Kee is the company, and they make same oyster sauce but with various flavors. Similarly, here are some other companies, and they add different kind of spices, different kind of other ingredients to change the little taste and to make them more and more famous. I am here in another supermarket, and here I am looking, these are the small tortoise, and I have seen before that small tortoise people keep at the home as a decoration pet, but here they have put it in the food counter, and some people in the China, they like it to eat the baby tortoise. I am imagining what they will make by this small thing, either tortoise pakode or they will make the tortoise curry. I am unable to imagine this thing. Viewers, here you can see these are the duck neck and duck head. Many Chinese like to eat this thing a lot. Means they suck these bones, the head, means they don't want to leave any detail of the duck also. With a lot of masala, and it looks very oily, means I think they fried it or roasted it in somewhere. You can see the people are buying the duck necks. Viewers, here are some inner parts of the pig. You can see this is the heart, these are the ear of the pig, these are the liver of the pig. Today we have explored many strange foods in China, in many small stores and many markets. We have tried to show you many things, and even many foods are that I have seen first time here in China. Hope you like our video. So please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.